A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe. Masera sei masquera sei. So, arume takasekwa senyika. Dedu Hope here says Mnangagwa's copy and paste minister tichanakirwa. Zimbabwe's new minister of ICT. We are in for entertaining times ahead. So, Team Zimbabwe, we do not hate Tatenda Mawatera, but honestly speaking, here Tatenda Mawatera has been exposed by Dedu Hope. She said the advance of technology is based on making it fit and so that you don't really even notice it. So it's part of everyday life. I'm ready to save. And this is where she got that she's just using my quotes so that she makes it look nice. Personally, I don't believe they steal ideas from others. After stealing ideas from others, they go with those ideas and they fail to implement them. You know, if you know kuti idea originator papika, take the person with the idea, bring him to close to you, so that that idea inobva yakura yotanga kuoneka. That is what I believe in. But you know, these people, these politicians, Team Zimbabwe, if you have an idea, if you present an idea to them, they will steal it, they will go with it to the leadership, and they will be told, okay, it's a brilliant idea, can you implement it? And it fails. Then apana kwatine tichienda, these people, they don't want you close because they know that you overshadow them. So I know for certain ideas dzinenge dzichiimplement kwa kuzanu-PF dzavari kutry kuimplementa, which were stolen by these politicians from somewhere. And the guy who drafted those ideas is sitting somewhere. Hana kana anything chaari kuwana or any thing you zvayo yanenge achiwana. But those ideas, they are bound to fail because munhu akaifunga idea iyoyo ane zvimwe zvinhu zvaakakudza akasiya zvimwe. So without zvimwe zvacho zviya azvibude. Plus also it takes a lot kuti an idea ibudirire. Inotoda munhu ari passionate about it. Somebody who think deeper and see how things should be done. Because remember, an idea comes, but inogona kusangana nema problems on its way. Then it needs somebody who is creative enough to think deeper, to find solutions. So it's about solutions, ideas, not ideas only, but solutions and willingness. Guys, iri timu ira arena. Tunatora chokwadi. We do not hate them, but ndozo zviri. Ukatarisa chakadaro for ED ichiuya, I know for sure kuti yaka originator from somewhere, yakabiwa from somewhere by a very prominent someone. Ndokubva aitengesa ikoko kuzanu-PF. But it failed. Why did that chakadaro for ED failed? Is because the person with the idea haana kubvunzwa kuti why have you brought this idea? What do you think? How do you think it will work? It was not about to marginalize others kuti kuubuditsa vamwe vese mugame and you create your own things. Sezvatakazoitirwa kunzi mbavha for ED, maure for ED, mawindi for ED. No, that was not the idea. It was an idea of taking control of the economy, taking control of whatever happens in the economy for the benefit of the people, not for the benefit of individuals. But it was personalized. Just a few individuals, they form their organizations, and they are the ones who are benefiting, and communities are getting nothing. Then you go on to several issues. You see, guys, tine vanhu vasingazivi zvavanoita, vanenge vari in positions of power. And panapa, it's another issue of copy and paste. Panapa, we need ICT because you see ICT is an important, and ICT also to the rural areas. So ICT will be our key focus to make sure ICT reaches every corner of Zimbabwe. As you can see, ICT is not very popular right now, but to take measures to ensure ICT advances. Yes, Ndoba Minister acha mnao mana msamadaro. Okay. So it's a moment of madness, Team Zimbabwe, in the nation. She had no idea what she had been thrust into. So she turned to Tete Gugu. Pachaoma. Yes, kana ukaba idea ukaenda nayo kwa vakuru, kana kuti vakuru ndinoziva ini iri document iri azvikufambire ani muri kuzviona hazvikufambire. Take the person iyeye wawabira that idea, bring the person closer, but vachamuona kupi? That is the problem, because wawakabira idea yeye handiti will not come. Akakutengesera wacho that idea haana chaari kuziva, handi kupaona. Ndozvo zvasiruza kuti munhu akaba akakutengesera iwewe haana chaari kutoziva, akatobawo. Saka masangana mbavha chete. Saka chero mukaenda mukanogara paRainbow Hotel paya mukaswera muripo hakuna chinobuda, because you are thieves of ideas, but you don't want to bring the original, the authors of those ideas close, because you fear that they will overshadow you. You know that a wise person will take that person and will go with that person to the president or to whoever and say, this is the person. And you in fact, you don't even say this is the person. You go and make a presentation, and that presentation will be made by that person. I don't see any reason why somebody will leave you will trust for that other person, but you will be allowed to work together. But one has be very selfish, one has be very vertically. So Team Zimbabwe hands up. And let me sing for you guys. Mavaoda Rebelist. Okay, okay, so we cover guys. It's a moment of madness. You can say, pata munhu mani, hey, hakuna kwatiri kuenda. Okay, you can say, this is serious. Copy and paste havo. She should have caught it. And she is really an MSU graduate. Aiwa guys, munoziva zvima graduate zvemazuva ano ka. Zvafana graduate wepa zou anditi. Anenge ari graduate but achingori graduate zvake wepa zou. Guys. Ndo saka ndichigara ndichitaura ndichiti zvinhu zvemuZimbabwe ka, and I don't think kuti zvinoda magraduates. Zvinhu zvemuZimbabwe zvinoda thinkers, people who can think beyond, people who can solve problems through thinking. Inini, that is what I think. Zvikanzi ZBC News, Idi Mnangagwa and this chief security Amazon was attending an event organized by the first lady Dr. A. Mnangagwa. So Team Zimbabwe, the question is, are we going to have anything different? Are we going to have progress? Are we going to actually have a progress in the nation of Zimbabwe nekuda kweteam iri? Because andizvoziva guys kuti imi muri kuzviona sei, pane chinobuda here kuna teta. Ini nangu ndakangozvitaura kuti pana tate ini hangu sekuziva kwangu pakasatoita munhu permanent secretary anoziva zvaanoita, injada chete wedwe. Kunotoda permanent secretary anoziva zvaanoita, ende vateta vanotoda kuti ivo wochizvidzikamisa, wochinyatsoenda pasi papermanent secretary yavo, vochimupa matomu, zvinhu zvonyatsofamba. Zvikasadaro ichavangoya njada. Ameno ngataure in the comment section.